Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the transparent box or invisible rectangle issue in Windows 11. If you see a random transparent box stuck on your screen and it won't go away, don't worry, this tutorial is very simple and beginner-friendly. Let's start with the quickest fix. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Now, click on Refresh. In many cases, the transparent box disappears immediately. If it's still there, let's try the next fix. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys together on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer. Click on Windows Explorer once to select it. Now, click on Restart. Your screen may flicker for a moment. Once it reloads, check if the transparent box is gone. If the issue is still not fixed, let's continue. Right-click on the Start button and click on Settings. Now, go to Personalization. Next, click on Colors. Scroll down and find Transparency Effects. Turn this option off. Wait a few seconds and see if the transparent box disappears. You can turn it back on later if you want. Now let's try another easy solution. Open Settings again. Click on System, then click on Notifications. Scroll down and turn off notifications temporarily. Sometimes a stuck notification causes the transparent box issue. Now restart your computer and check again. If the problem still continues, let's do one final fix. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Find Display Adapters and expand it. Right-click on your display driver and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows update the driver if available. After that, restart your PC. And that's it. This is how you fix the transparent box or invisible rectangle issue in Windows 11, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.